Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing or unpackaging to share with you guys. This is November's Going Gear EDC Club. I was so pumped to see this in my P.O. box. I did the first one last month, and these will keep coming in. I'll keep sharing them with you guys month by month. This is a really cool subscription package where you get sometimes exclusive items through Going Gear, sometimes just cool things. They do a lot of really interesting combinations of items that a lot of us in this part of the knife and EDC world really enjoy. The last one I got was awesome. It was the mini Kaiser Sheepdog, but it was the Going Gear exclusive version of it. I was like, that's a great first impression, right? So I have no idea what's in here, and that's kind of the deal with the package, is you don't know what's in it. But they guarantee the items to be worth, the total value of the items in the package to be worth more than you pay monthly for the package. So the excitement really is, the not knowing, right? Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting this channel. If you are enjoying the daily content and you'd like to support this channel, you can find my Patreon down in the description. You can get stickers and other cool stuff. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Oh my gosh, I know, minute and 30 seconds. Get into it already. All right, let's cut into it real quick here. I gotta pull the note real quick because I don't want to ruin anything. All right, what do we have? What on earth? Okay. Okay. I'm going to have to read here. I'm not really sure exactly what this is, but, what this is. Obviously, this is a notebook. But we have a Going Gear notebook, so that's kind of neat. This, I'm going to guess, is just something that you keep, like a knife or just stuff in. A neat little Spyderco box. Okay, hang on. Let's read. Let me read the note here. Oh, yeah. Alta Andina leather valet tray. That is cool. I will absolutely use that. I always have what I have upstairs, the valet tray, is actually a decorative item that's meant to go on a coffee table that my wife bought, and I was like, nah, I want that to put like my knife and my stuff in. So at the end of the day, I take my keys and my wallet and like my watch, right, which is over here right now, take that off, take my knife off, and I just throw it in that tray, which is I like this idea better because it's a little more closed in. This is neat. I will absolutely use that. Let's see here. The rivets are... Oh, okay, so it says it's time to clear that clutter and organize your EDC with this full-grain leather valet tray. Handmade in Colombia, South America, where even the copper rivets are hand-hammered. These are so well made, they're guaranteed to last a lifetime. That's cool. Good deal. We have an Opinel, which everybody knows I'm not going to be super excited about because I'm not the biggest fan of Opinel. But, okay. That's fine. I think this is exactly the same as the one that I had. This is the carbon version. Okay, so maybe this is different than the one that I have. Okay, interesting. A lot of people like Opinels, so that's fine. And then, of course, you guys saw the Notepad. I don't know if there's anything. I'll use this down here. This is perfect for my little... Normally I have this big Notepad that's like, it's got slices out of it, right, because I'm testing edges and stuff, and then I've written down different notes, and it's big and clunky, right? I'm sure everybody wants to know what's in here. I got my fingers crossed for this guy. Yeah, it's the new black one. Cool. All right, so I used to own this guy. This used to be my keychain knife. My dedicated keychain knife, but I had the stainless steel one. So this is the new all black version, and I don't know what steel. I'm gonna guess it's probably 440C, but this was a new release, like a 2020 release for Spyderco. The bug and the ladybug and the man bug, I think, all come in black now, and I think this is find out here. Spyderco bug black. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Oh, and so, by the way, the total value here, we've got $18 in the Opinel number 9. So this is a number 9. So this is actually bigger, I think, than the one that I have. I'll have to look at that. This is X90 carbon steel with stabilized beechwood handles. So interesting. This is different than the one that I have. $18 on that guy. The Alta Andina leather valet tray, $34.99. Spyderco Bug, $21. And Write in the Rain notebook, which apparently this is waterproof. It says a weatherproof notepad is the perfect EDC companion. All weather paper that repels water, mud, and even the occasional laundry cycle. Okay, cool. I thought it was just a regular notepad, but apparently it's water resistant. So that's kind of neat. That was $3.95. So let's see. Let's add this up. We got 21 plus $3.95. We'll call that 25. Plus $34.99. 55, 60 plus 18. So $78. So yeah. So what I paid. You know, what I pay for the subscription package is $60 a month. So, yeah, they did. The value of the items totaled up to be more. So, that's cool. I mean, you don't get to know exactly what's coming. But in this case, it was neat that I got a valet tray. I think this is kind of cool. I definitely like the Bug. And the Opinel, I'm sure I will find a purpose for. But, obviously, there's a lot of people out there other than me who actually really, really like the Opinel. So, that's neat. I'm going to just, for fun, go ahead and put all this stuff in here. I'm sure that, you know, they intended for somebody to take a cool picture of this stuff, right? So there you go. I'll take a fancy picture on Instagram, right? This was neat. This was fun to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Obviously, there's going to be a link for Going Gear and the EDC Club right down in the description. So if you guys are interested in signing up for this, it's fun, right? Once a month and you don't know exactly what's coming in. I think it's really cool. So if you guys want to check that out and sign up, great. If not, that's okay too. Anyways, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.